Here we go, here's a video of it not working. I'm gonna plug it in. There. Turn it on. And nothing. Nope. Nothing. Turn it off. Open it up. Close it back down. Still nothing. Nothing at all. Check the fuse, make sure it's not the fuse. And the fuse looks fine. Fuse back in there. Try a different plug. Still doesn't work. Open it up. Try turning it on. Still nothing.